Hey y'all, tired of digging up your whole garden for potatoes? What if you could harvest them easy with a flap? These 10-gallon potato grow bags are a veggie lover's best friend. Let's check them out. Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your go-to spot for the best gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing these 4-pack potato grow bags. Hit that subscribe button to join our bloomin' SmartBloom crew. These 10-gallon potato grow bags come in a 4-pack with black and gray colors, featuring sturdy handles, a harvest flap, and a window to check your crops. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, or veggies. Say goodbye to back-breaking harvests. Here's how to use them in 3 easy steps, y'all. Step 1. Fill the bag with soil and plant 4 to 6 potato seeds. Step 2. Watch them grow through the window and add soil as needed. Step 3. Open the flap to harvest, quick and clean. Gardening made smart. I used these bags in my California patio to grow potatoes, and they rocked. The flap let me grab baby spuds without mess, and the handles made moving them a breeze. Pro tip: water evenly to avoid soggy spots. Some say the flap tears easy, so handle it gentle. Bonus tip: use them for tomatoes too. Here's why I'm loving these bags, y'all. Pros: sturdy handles, easy flap harvest, and that window. Great for veggies. Cons: flap can tear if rough, and bags might sag when full. But wow, it made harvesting a joy. I'm sold. Do you grow potatoes? Tell me in the comments. These bags are perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada, with patios or small yards. Great for potatoes or tomatoes, not ideal for super heavy soils though. Ready to harvest easy? Grab these 10-gallon potato grow bags on Amazon. Link below, y'all. What veggies do you grow? Share in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Love this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard thriving.